Home remedies for toothache. Some of the main causes of toothache are cavities and infection, and exposed tooth root and cracked tooth, gum disease, a loose filling, or jaw joint disorder. Toothache happens when the central region of the tooth, known as pulp, becomes irritated or inflamed. The pulp consists of several nerves endings that are highly sensitive. Pulp can become inflamed or irritated for many reasons. Number one is garlic. Garlic has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And crush a clove of garlic and put it against the affected tooth. Alternatively, you can simply chew a clove of garlic. It is always a very good idea to keep a few garlic bulbs in the house so that you can always have some to hand. Asafoetida isn't a common herb you hear about all the time. However, its powerful effect to treat the toothache are amazing. In order to use it, you can create a paste by using the powdered form of Asafoetida and combining it with lime juice. Then take this paste and apply it to tooth directly. Number two is onion. Onion is another organic, antibacterial, and antiseptic way to remedy an aching tooth. All you need to do is to cut a piece of onion or to appropriate size so it fits in your mouth and let it comfortably on the tooth or gum that needs attention. Clove oil. It has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory and anesthetic properties which help it alleviate pain and fight the infection. Clove oil can fight cavities, sore gums, mouth ulcers, and many other dental issues that can cause tooth pain. However, using too much clove oil can worsen the pain. Turmeric. Turmeric has wide variety of health benefits and is one of the best home remedy for toothache. Its antibacterial, antiseptic, and analgesic properties, so it clears away bacteria while numbing the toothache and relieving the pain. It can treat tooth infections, gum infections, and abscesses. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.